How to tie the double constrictor knot. So to tie the double constrictor knot, going off to the right hand side here is my working end and the standing part is going off to the left hand side. This is slightly cord hungry, this one, but the first thing that we do is we pass our cordage over the top of the object to which we want to tie the double constrictor knot to. And you pass it over and bring it to the right hand side. The next thing that we do is pass it over again for a second time, but take it to the left hand side. Go underneath, bring it over again and pass it to the right hand side and then over again, and you'll see where we've gone over, it's actually running parallel to the previous one. Once you've done that, bring it through underneath to the left hand side this time, and what we're going to do now is we're going to go over the standing part, underneath these two turns here, and then underneath the back one here. So take it over the top, just lift up those two and then pull it through, and then before you tighten it up, just go in and tuck it underneath the one on the right hand side there, and then just dress it smartly. Don't pull it up too tight first, because get it in the right position before you pull it up tight. If you thought the constrictor knot was a good knot, the double constrictor knot is even better. There we have it. Dress smartly, nice and tight.